Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Prior to beginning with Matic cost expectation, let us first know more about Polygon. It is an ideal blockchain stage that gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges dispensing with the intricacies engaged with the decentralized environment. Matic has been made with the sole goal of a multifunctional and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Polygon value forecast is referenced exhaustively in this video. Here every single individual chain manages its free blockchain networks with its agreement system and block validators to make more youngster chains of its own. Polygon price prediction. As a non-mineable token, Matic's ongoing cost remains at $0.6461 with a crypto market capitalization of $5,140,492,951, setting it in the place of 17 in the worldwide digital money rankings. There are 7.96 Matic tokens accessible in supply at present. The new all-time exorbitant cost of Polygon is $2.92, and the exchanging volume for 24 hours is $370,270,602.19. The Polygon cost has denoted the most minimal value level of 59 cents and greatest cost degree of 64 cents throughout the course of recent hours. The variables like all-time high, another unequaled high, and Polygon cost forecasts persistently continue to change, and it is on the indicator's judgment concerning where the cost will reach. Starting from the start of 2022, the Matic cost confronted critical adjustment. Still, Polygon crypto held areas of strength for its of $1.27 until May, when the whole crypto market slumped. It holds colossal potential according to the Matic cost expectations, yet huge achievements are yet to be accomplished. There will be different cost targets referenced alongside its cost activity. Regardless of being the inborn characteristic of all digital forms of money, instability overwhelms the decision of most merchants. Despite the fact that the pandemic shook the foundations of the government-issued types of money, digital currencies like Matic overwhelmed the world, showing gains in spite of the emergency. Subsequently, instability addresses an enormously significant part of Polygon crypto exchanging. The best tip to put cash in any crypto is to hang tight for some remedy in the coin's cost. As indicated by Matic coin expectation, it isn't the most ideal opportunity to purchase Matic as it is exchanging close to its drawn-out help level. Dealers might hang tight at some cost tries and afterward take any venture choice. Despite the fact that other major crypto Goliaths appear to be getting web-based entertainment publicity, Polygon, Matic, may consistently show an inspirational perspective. The year 2025 might be the breakout year for Matic, with the value expectations of a base worth of $1.50 without a doubt. In light of all that, how about we investigate Matic cost expectation for the impending years? Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2022. The gigantic DApp reception and various innovative overhauls drove the general development of Matic costs. The organizations and collusions will push the versatility of the organization to 65,000 exchanges each second. The ongoing cost of Polygon, Matic, is exchanging around $0.6461. As indicated by Polygon cost expectation 2022, the coin cost might attempt to recuperate from the new market decline. With our cost forecast information, dealers will actually want to settle on better venture choices. Here is our month-to-month Polygon coin cost expectation for the year 2022. Polygon, Matic, an unparalleled performance. The real strength of the Polygon multi-chain network lies in the extortion-resistant component. By carrying out POS at the designated spot layer as well as agents at the block maker layer, Matic guarantees ideal decentralization. This system expects clients to submit subtleties of any fake exchange's thought. Therefore, deceitful cases are cut. This main chain security is strengthening to the POS convention security on the side chains. One more element of the Polygon network is the execution of Plasma, which is based on state put-together sidechains running with respect to EVM. This assists Polygon with systems administration, give versatility for conventional brilliant agreements. The public designated spot layer, which chips away at occasional stretches, makes the organization license sidechains to work at high rates while distributing the designated spots in clusters. Layer scaling arrangements with decentralization are a definitive Polygon cost targets. The spread is huge and doesn't restrict itself to monetary choices, exchanges yet other easygoing dApps like games, and so forth. One more advantage with Plasma Cash is that Matic saddles use designated spots for 1 second block times, with POS layer. As Plasma Cash works with non-fungible tokens, NFTs, it turns out perfect for game cards and social state changes where you have pre-characterized charges, packaged as NFT, for example, 20 tokens to play a game equivalents 1 NFT coin on Plasma Cash. In scaling projects viz. Polygon and Quark Chain, Polygon stays extraordinary with its novel characteristic to get to scale, achieving an ideal decentralization. Based on the Ethereum main chain, Polygon enjoys the benefit of programming language, designer documentation, and so on. It is promptly accessible and doesn't need to fabricate all that without any preparation, and this is so for the most part as Polygon Network is an EVM-based sidechain. In the installments portion, Polygon multi-chain network dominates its rivals like Raiden Network and others fundamentally in light of Matic's cost-hidden specialized examination. There is no prerequisite for independent installment channels for clients, and they just have to have legitimate Ethereum address to get tokens. Most monetary choice help applications like DEXs, lending dApps, and numerous others can be effortlessly gotten to by Polygon Network clients. Eventually, it tends to be seen that Matic has tried a decent move to upgrade client experience by working with the easy-to-understand execution of devices. Specialized analysis of Polygon, Matic. The brain science of clients assumes an essential part in the crypto market opinion. Aside from it, numerous different factors like the basics of the token, value history, improvement, and acknowledgement of the symbolic assume a significant part as well. No financial backers should depend just on crypto expectation to go with their venture choice. Polygon's local token Matic has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and brokers. This suggests further reception of Polygon by merchants and financial backers. The downswing that played for the token in 2019 vanished in the scenery of its mechanical arrangements. They were in no way, shape or form a worldview, yet it very well may be said the token was being followed for development. Be that as it may, 2022 has not been a decent one for the Matic token. The coin cost was $2.58 to start with, yet has now reached $0.6142.